What's up guys, welcome everyone, and today I'm super excited about this product, which is Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. It's been launched by one of my students, one of my Amazon FBA students. So if you are interested in learning actually how to find these products, how to source them, and how to sell them on Amazon, then please do attend one of my free trainings. I will put the link below this video. And other than that, let's get down to business. Okay, let's have a look. So I got this product off Amazon. I think it's going to be at an introductory price, so make sure to check out this this link. Again, I will put the link to this product down below the video. Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. We've got the cleaning basket, we've got the watch stand as well, so it looks really nice on the photographs. We'll have a look. Okay, so let me just close this and let's take a look at this baby. Okay, so the box. There is a complimentary guide included with this ultrasonic cleaner. It's quite a large box. Let's have a look what it says here. Smart touch key. Okay. Degas, Degas. Shining image after cleaning. Okay. Ideal for jewelry shops, eyeglasses shops, watch clock shops, dental clinics, mobile phone shops, office and household use objects. You can clean jewelry, you can clean rings, diamonds, bracelets, silverware, bronzeware, antiques, eyeglasses, sunglasses, optical lenses, watches, dentures, machine nozzles, printer, inkjet heads, seals, and ancient coins, badges, valves, tattoo instruments, and piercings. Okay, so there is actually quite a lot of uses for this. So pretty much every household would need that ultrasonic cleaner, and it says the exact same thing on the other side. So that is really it on the box. Let's have a look inside. I haven't looked inside just yet, so I'm actually very excited about this. Let's have a look. So we have a manual, which is not a lot of pages, so everyone should be able to go through that. We've got some product information, nice images, product specification. Let's have a look. 600 milliliters, so a little bit over 1 pint. Power is 35 watts, so quite energy saving. And available for glasses, jewelry, daily use. Okay, so you can actually clean the shavers. Okay, so that could actually save you some money on buying those expensive shaver cleaning solutions. That's awesome. Okay, I think I will find quite a lot of uses for that. Metal articles. Okay, so anything like that. Metal dishware. Okay, so spoons, forks, knives as well, inkjet printer heads as well. Okay, so wow, I didn't even realize it's so many uses for these kind of machines. Awesome. 4 ways of cleaning: general cleaning, enhanced cleaning, cleaning by parts. So you can add a liquid cleaning detergent as well. Presumably you can get it off Amazon as well. Quite simple operating instructions, so shouldn't be difficult. That's really it. Okay, so very simple. Okay, good. We have a UK plug, which is super important because sometimes those items come with just adapters and they fall off and do all kinds of stuff. This one has a UK plug. And apart from that, I think it's just the machine here. Just take it out. Oh, okay. So I'll get rid of the box. Let's get rid of this as well. Don't that. Ooh, okay. So interesting. I do love this machine already. It's compact. Okay, it's small. I thought actually it's going to be much bigger. Do I have a tape measure here? Let me get a tape measure. more or less 6 inches or 16 centimeters. And the height of it, if we do this, is going to be about 5 inches or 13 centimeters. Okay, so that is actually, that size is looking good. Okay, I'm not sure whether you could fit, maybe you could, like a small fork or small knife, but I don't think you can fit a full-size knife in here. It's actually smaller than I expected, but that's good because that looks, to be honest, cute. So we've got some buttons. Okay, on-off button, time, and big gas, which I don't know what that is. I will do a full review of this item as well. There is a max indicator, so presumably that's where you pour liquid, and I think you can use water with it or a cleaning solution as well, and I'm pretty sure there are some DIY cleaning solutions as well for that. So I will make a full review of this item because I'm super interested to see how it actually performs on watches, jewelry. I've got some necklaces that I haven't used for a long time, so I'm super excited to see how they are going to look. I'll take some before and after photos as well. There is this small basket as well that we can use, and there is this stand for the watch, which presumably, I don't know, maybe use it like that, and just put it like that, I don't know. I will read the manual, guys, I'll report back, but that is really about it. Good quality plastic. Obviously, if you bend it, it will break, but it's okay. The machine itself, quality, it's PVC, it's plastic basically, but it's sturdy. Nothing is squeaking. The lid is working properly. The cable is properly attached, which is to be expected. Frequency 40 kilohertz. Other than that, that's it. Okay. That's it, guys. That's the whole unboxing experience for that machine. Again, tune in for the full review of this item. And like I said, if you are interested to know how to find these products, how to launch them on Amazon, then feel free to attend one of my free trainings. The link will be in the video description below. And until the next video, thank you very much. Bye-bye.